Okay guys, so yesterday I bought a bunch of the Unified Minds Pokemon packs. I opened 10 of them. I've not looked at the cards yet. And you guys are going to see the cards as I do. Now the reason I open them first, because I don't have a tripod and I have to hold the phone with my hand. And this just makes it easier for me. Well, let's get started. I have a Fletchinder, an Onix. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Energy, Bonsweet, Sneasel, Fire Energy, a Shroomish, a Necromanza. I thought this was a one of the Ultra Beasts, but it doesn't say Ultra Beast on it. Got a Doublade, is that how it said? I don't know. I got a Sandit. Got a Joltik. Got a Orangu. I don't know if that's how it's said or not, but got a Carablast. Got a Hoot. I got a Fairy Energy. Got a Magnemite. I got a Lucario. Reverse Hollow. Got a Misty's Favor. I got a Lickitung. And a, what is this? A Garchomp and Giratina GX Tag Team. I know this is pretty big, but I'm not that big into Pokemon, so I don't know what this is worth. But I'm definitely gonna sleeve that up and put it in a hard case. Got a Cherish Ball, a Wimpod, a Scorpy, a Mesprit, a Drillbur, a Litwick, a Mershuna, a Lowland Grimer, Execute, and a Barbaro. So the only big pull out of those 10 packs was this Garchomp and Giratina. I'm gonna have to look this one up. It's probably worth a couple bucks, I don't know. That's it for this video. I'm gonna be making another video in a couple days with another 10 packs. And I'm gonna be making 5 of those videos because I bought over 50, but I saved 50 for videos. So, see you guys then.